Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be cleaning my house. It is a little bit messy. I'm doing my weekly cleaning stuff, so if you guys are interested in getting some cleaning motivation, just keep watching. If you guys are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and like this video if you like cleaning videos, and tell me what your favorite part of this cleaning routine was. I'm starting out this cleaning routine by going room to room and just picking up anything that is out of place. So I started in the office and I'm just putting up Colt's toy. He's got a little toy bin in the living room that I keep all of them in, and then I'm going ahead and cleaning up the living room. So I'm just pushing all of the couch cushions back in and organizing all of the pillows and blankets. I usually have to do this about 3 times a day because of Brooks and Colt, but that's okay. We also hang out here in the evenings, so it's usually messed up by morning. So I'm just rearranging all of the pillows and stuff now. Next, I'm moving into Brooks's room, and I'm just going to go ahead and wash and change out all of his bedding. I like to do this about once a week. I also try to keep an extra set of bedding on hand that's clean for him, just in case he has, he gets sick in the middle of the night or something. I like to just have an extra set that I can throw on at a moment's notice. Once I get it all set, I'm going to go ahead and take this to the laundry room. Now I'm moving into the kitchen to get Brooks a drink. He stopped me on the way and he needed some juice. So I'm just taking a moment to get Brooks some apple juice. I'm going to start in the kitchen with the dishes. They are piled up, and I'm going to unload the dishwasher and get everything put back in and washed up. Colt is usually my dishwasher helper. He's always there trying to lick some sort of food off of the dishes. Does anybody else's dog do this? Now I'm just putting all of the dishes in the dishwasher. Now, I usually will wash my dishes by hand, but this was just kind of out of control. I had so many in here from the last couple of days, and I just needed to get them clean. So I'm doing that now, and I am going to wash 1 container by hand, and I'm using my Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice dish soap. I love this stuff. If you guys haven't smelt it, you really should go to Target or order it from Grove. If you haven't tried any of the Mrs. Meyer's products, sign up with my link down below for Grove Collaborative. You will get a 5-piece set as long as you spend $20, so it's a really good deal. After I do the dishes, I'm just going to clean my sink out. I hate having a bunch of dishes and food in the sink and stuff and then just like cleaning them and being done. I like to get all of the germs out of the sink. So that's what I'm doing here, just rinsing it out. And then I like to always take a washcloth or a towel after I'm done rinsing it out and just wiping it down. That way it's nice and shiny and there's no watermarks. There's nothing better than a clean sink. I don't know why this is so refreshing to me, but it is. Next, I'm taking my apple cider multi-surface spray by Mrs. Meyer's and a paper towel, and I'm wiping down my countertops. I really need to get some microfiber cloths or some sort of designated washcloth just to clean off my cabinets because I do this way too often to be using paper towels. I love this stuff. It even gets my stove really clean as well. It's awesome. And this apple cider scent is my all-time favorite scent of Mrs. Meyer's fall scents. You guys should really check this one out. It's so good. And now I'm cleaning my appliances as well with the same multi-surface spray, and I decided to go ahead and clean the inside of my microwave out. It's been a while, so if you're watching this, here is your reminder to clean out your microwave as well. I never do this, it seems like, maybe like a couple times a year. I really should get better about it, but I never think of it. So I'm just spraying it all down, wiping it out, and it feels so good having a clean microwave. Now I'm just wiping down the rest of my countertops with the same multi-surface spray, and I do have granite countertops and it works great on there. I also like to clean off my bar stools. They seem to get a little dusty, or Brooks's little fingerprints get on there with food, so I just wipe these down anytime I wipe my countertops. And today I'm actually going to wipe down the spot where Brooks sits because I noticed there was little like feet prints or footprints, feet prints, little marks from his feet, and I thought, oh my gosh, that's so gross. So I had to clean it off as well. And I'm cleaning off my dishwasher with that same multi-surface spray. You guys, it is so good and it works awesome and it smells amazing too. And last but not least, I'm cleaning off my refrigerator. I always tend to get fingerprints on here. It never fails. And our water is also kind of hard, so it seems like there's some hard water that will get built up on underneath the water dispenser as well. So I'm just cleaning it all off with that multi-surface spray. Once the kitchen is completely clean, I like to light a candle. This one is Autumn from Bath and Body Works. It is so good. I actually had it last year. And then I'm also got this little one. It's Pumpkin Spice by DW Home. I got that one from TJ Maxx. And there you have it, a nice clean kitchen. And by this time, Brooks has already destroyed the living room, so I'm just picking it up yet again. Now I'm moving on to the dining room. I'm using this Pledge multi-surface spray to dust off my kitchen table and my bench and chairs. I like to do this every so often just because it seems like with them being dark, they get really dusty really quick. So cleaning that off, and then this little bar cart that I have some fall decorations on, I'm wiping that off as well. Now I'm moving into my office and I'm just wiping down my desk area and getting everything situated and put back up, and also wiping down the chair. Brooks took a pin to this chair not too long ago, so I had to take a Mr. Clean eraser to that, but I got it off, so it's not a big deal. And then I'm also cleaning my windows with this. I love this spray because I can seriously clean anything with it. Electronics, windows, glass, wood. It's amazing. You guys should check this Pledge stuff out. And then I'm moving into my closet slash beauty room. I've got a like makeup vanity set up in there and I'm just giving it a good wipe down. I did get my makeup desk area thing from IKEA, and I do have a video of that. I can try to link it down below. It's under my beauty videos, but it's really handy having it in the closet. And then, oh my gosh, you guys, that leopard sweatshirt is from a place called I Love Jewelry, and it's monogrammed. You guys have to check it out. I'll try to link it down below. But I only paid $11 for it, and that was with the monogram. So such a good deal. I am just hanging up all of my new fall clothes that I've gotten recently. If you guys want to check out my Target fall haul for me and Brooks, I will have that link down below as well. But now I'm taking all of his clothes into his closet and just hanging them all up. And he had a thing of dirty clothes, so I'm just taking that to the laundry room and getting that started. I'm just switching some clothes over that were in the washing machine into the dryer, and then I'm going to throw Brooks's clothes in. I don't know about you guys, but Brooks is almost 2 years old and I still love using the Dreft laundry detergent. I just cannot give it up. It smells so good. And now I'm just going into our master bathroom and giving it a good clean. I cleaned the toilets and I'm wiping down the countertop and the mirrors, and I didn't show the rest of it, but I did get it cleaned. I just ran out of memory on my camera, so I couldn't film it all. But I did get my whole bathroom cleaned, but this was the only one that I got to this night. I'll have to clean the other 2 bathrooms tomorrow. Turned on this podcast. It's called Your Best New Self. I am loving it. You guys should definitely check it out if you need like a devotional style podcast to listen to. Her name is Helen Elizabeth, and she's amazing. I love her ministry and all of the content that she puts out. But the last thing I'm doing tonight is folding and putting up laundry. My least favorite task, but it has to be done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like cleaning routines, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what your favorite part of this routine was. If you guys want to see more cleaning routines from me, just click in the description below. I'll have some there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.